सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 146, verse 57. आस्तां दुस्तार्किकै साकम् विवादः प्रकृतं ब्रुवेम् स्वाहमो सिद्धमेकत्वम् कूटस्थपरिणामिनोः. Vidyaranya dealing with the topic of Tvam Pada Vichara, the individual nature. When we are talking about the individual nature, it is a mixture of two principles. One is Adhara Chaitanyam, another one is Abhasa Chaitanyam. Adhara Chaitanyam is called Kutasthaha, referred as Swam, the self. Abhasa Chaitanyam is referred as Jivaha with the word Aham. Swam Aham. Aham is called Jivaha, Abhasa Chaitanyam. Swam is called Kutasthaha, Adhara Chaitanyam. To put in other words, Adhara Chaitanyam, that is Swam, Kutastham, is Satyam. Adhara Chaitanyam, the pure consciousness, that is Satyam, which is known as Swam here. Abhasa Chaitanyam, that is Jivaha, is known as Aham, is Mithya. So Satya Mithya, Mithunikaranam. We are mixing up and messing up. Mixing up of Satya Anruta or Adhara Abhasa or Kutastha Jiva, mixing. This is called Adhyasaha, superimposition. This superimposition means seeing one thing as other is called superimposition, Adhyasa. It is called Samanadhikaranam. In same locus, if you see one thing as other, is called Samanadhikaranyam. In one locus, there is one thing. You see something else in that, in the same locus. It is called Samana Adhikaranam, Samanadhikaranam. Seeing one thing as other in the same place, in the same locus, it is called Samanadhikaranya. Samana means equal, same. Adhikaranam means locus. There are 5 types of Samanadhikaranya. Full technical, first 5 minutes I give some technical. We saw this in Vedanta Sara, not here, in some other place I took Vedanta Sara, in that we have discussed. 5 types of Samanadhikaranam. Number 1 is Aikya Samanadhikaranyam. I am not going to explain, just I am giving the names. Aikya Samanadhikaranyam. Number 2, Badhayam Samanadhikaranyam. Badhayam Samanadhikaranyam. Even I am not explaining also, because they are not relevant for us for explanation. Just I am enumerating them. Number 2, Badhayam Samanadhikaranyam. Number 3, Upasanayam Samanadhikaranyam. Upasanayam Samanadhikaranyam. Number 4, Visheshana Visheshya Samanadhikaranyam. Visheshana Visheshya Samanadhikaranyam. The last and final one is Adhyasa Samanadhikaranyam. Adhyasa Samanadhikaranyam. Again, our relevant point is Adhyasa here. Adhyasa samanadhikaranyam. One adhyasa comes in one of the samanadhikaranyam. That adhyasa again different types. Samsargadhyasa, Anyonya adhyasa, Tadatmya adhyasa. Superimposition also, confusions are galore. Anyonya adhyasa, Samsargadhyasa and Tadatmya adhyasa. Just write up the names. When the time comes, the relevant context I'll explain on all of them. Now I want to explain only Tadatmya adhyasa. This is what we are talking adhyasa is Tadatmya adhyasa. Not Samsarga adhyasa or Anyonya adhyasa, but Tadatmya adhyasa. This Tadatmya adhyasa means seeing one thing as the other. Seeing the swam, looking it as aham. Seeing the shell, taking it as silver. Seeing the rope, taking it as a snake. Seeing this Brahma Chaitanyam, seeing means not seeing here. Being an individual Brahma Chaitanyam, I superimpose this body-mind complex Chidabhasa, Ahankara upon that. And not knowing that Adhara Chaitanyam, because of which Abhasa Chaitanyam has formed, because of which rope snake is appearing. I have mistook the rope as snake. So I have lost sight of rope. I mistook Adhara Chaitanyam as Abhasa Chaitanyam. I lost sight of I, the Kutastha Brahma Chaitanyam, who is free from Vyadhi, Jara, Marana, all limitations. I am taking it as I am as a sufferer, miserable person. So I mistook myself. This mixture, ignorant people do not know. This mixture, non-Panchadashi students do not know. There are people, Astikaha and Nastikaha. 6 systems of philosophies are called Nastikas. 5 systems of philosophies are called Astikas. Shastra Avichara group. Shastra Avichara means they never believe in Shastra. They never study Shastra. Non-believers of Veda. They never believe in God, they never believe in Shastra. They are called Nastikas. Buddhism, Jainism. 4 types of Buddhism, Jainism and Charvakas, Lokayatikas. So all come under Nastikas. Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaiseshika, Purva Mimamsa 5. Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaiseshika, Purva Mimamsa. All 5 come under Astikas. They are all having belief in Veda, but they are doing Shastra Vichara wrongly. That is why he is criticizing them, how they have mistaken even Shastra. Some people won't come to Shastra at all. Some people after coming, Durvichara they do. 6 group of philosophers avichara. They never study Shastra, they never look into Shastra. They condemn Shastra. All the way these 6 Astikas have come to Shastra, but they have not understood Shastra properly. That's called Durvichara, wrong interpretation of Shastra. So, Shastra Avichara group 6, Shastra Durvichara group 5, 11 systems of philosophies are bombarding the whole society. Not now, from ancient time they are bombarding. Bombarding means they are talking their system of philosophy with the people and they think they are right. They are confused and confounded. They are in their confusion. That's what here Vidyaranya is telling. Astam dustarkikaihi. So these Tarkikas, Nyaya philosophers, who are logicians full of illogicality. Logicians are supposed to be logical, but they are all illogical. Dustarkikaihi. By these Tarkikas who are logically arguing, why they are called Dustarkikaha? That's what he is going to tell later, why they are called Dustarkikaha. Now he is telling in this shloka, Dustarkikai Sakam, along with them. Sakam means along with them. In Kannada, Saku, Beku, they say. I want, I don't want. That Sakam is not that Saku. Okay. Sakam is different. Sakam means along with. Why we have to argue with this Dustarkikas? Wrong, illogical discussion people, Vivadaha, arguments. Ask them. Let us stop. Ask them. Don't continue. I don't want to argue with them. We leave them, this topic with this. Let us stop this Tarkikas discussion here. Why previously he said Karyam continues after Karana destruction also. Karya or Kshanam continues because he gave examples also. We said okay, it continues, but that is not the Pramanam. Actually, Prarabdha alone is the Pramanam. How Jnani continues after knowledge. Jnani's Avarana has gone, but Vikshepa continues. That Vikshepa is called Prarabdha. Prarabdha continues, Avarana gone. Vikshepa means seeing male as male, female as female. These differences are all called Vikshepa. Bhagavan also has got Vikshepa. There is no problem if you have Vikshepa. Vikshepa means what? Distractions, differences. Seeing differences, no problem. But seeing the unreal thing as real is problem. That is why Jnani, after knowledge also, he sees male as male, female as female. Everyone is Brahman, Brahman he won't see. After knowledge, Jnani sees Brahman. Even though everyone is Brahman intrinsically, woman is woman, man is man. For Jnani also. That is called Vikshepa. It continues, better to continue. But Jnani doesn't have Avarana, veiling power. He never mix up further after knowledge. So Bhagavan is also having Vikshepa, but our Vikshepa is a problem. Ajnana Sahita Vikshepa is a problem. Jnana Sahita Vikshepa, there is no problem. That's why after Jnanam, seeing Vikshepa is not a problem, but taking Vikshepa as real is a problem. So therefore, because of that Avarana, that is called Adhyasa, Tadatmya Adhyasa, taking Swaham, Swahamoho, Swa Aham. Swam and Ahamam Swahamoho of these two, Kutastha and Ahankara, or Adhara Chaitanyam and Abhasa Chaitanyam. Prakritam Bruve. I am going to talk about this now. Okay? Because Prarabdha is that which makes the Jnani to continue. So last class I told you, to get Jnanam, human body is required. To get Atma Jnanam, which body is required? Any body is okay. Human body is required. Human body is possible only because of Prarabdha. From Sanchita, a little bit portion has to come as Prarabdha. It has to give body. Then only I get Jnanam. So human body is required for self-knowledge. Human body is possible because of Prarabdha. Therefore, human body alone makes possible to get Jnanam. Human body alone makes person possible to get Jnanam. So the Prarabdha is good or bad now? Good. Therefore, Jnani want to thank the Prarabdha. Thank you. Because of you only I got the body. Because of the body only I got self-knowledge. Therefore, Prarabdha is there. What is the Pramanam? Have you seen Prarabdha? Apaurushaya Shastra Pramanam. Apaurushaya Shastra Pramanam is there. Not that Karyam continues over Kshanam after Karanam destruction. Tarkika's conclusion we need not take. We are taking Shastra Pramanam. Swam ahamoho ekatvam siddham. Swam aham, he said. Then again he says Kutastha parinaminoho. Kutastha means Adhara Chaitanyam. Parinami means of that Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa means Abhasa Chaitanyam. Parinami, no. Reflection is always changing. Abhasa Chaitanyam. In one body, it takes one form, another body, another form taking, no. Abhasa Chaitanyam, changing. So mixing up ekatvam siddham. Because of confusion that we have to supply. Because of ajnanam, adhyasa is possible. Because of ignorance, that superimposition is taking place. Ajnanam, adhyasa. To okay. Ajnanam, ignorance. Adhyasa, superimposition. So the entire humanity is in ajnanam and adhyasa. Who is free from ajnanam and adhyasa? Only Vedantic student who studies Shastra from a competent teacher with qualifications. Sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha vidyarthi, shrotriya brahmanishta guru. If they come together, the student ajnanam will go away. Once ajnanam goes, adhyasa will go away. Once adhyasa goes, samsara gone. Purnatvam, ananda. He can claim or she can claim aham brahma asmi. Possible. But you see in the world, mixing up, messing up, we are seeing outside. It is happening. Next shloka. Up to here, we saw in the last class. Therefore, avichara durvicharabhyam ekadasha darshanani. And the sloka ille. Avichara durvicharabhyam ekadasha darshanani. Ekadasha na 11. 11 darshanams. Darshanams means philosophies. System of philosophies. Ekadasha. Avichara durvicharabhyam. Avichara 6. Durvichara 5. Ekadasha darshanani. That's why these are all called Maurkhyam, Modhata, he is telling. These people are all having delusion. He is gone enumerating now. Dehatmavadi, Indriyatmavadi, Manatmavadi, Pranatmavadi, all are coming. Deham pranam api indriyanyapi chalam buddhim cha shunyam vidaho. Engyo keta madri irukken. Dakshinamurti stotram. Deha means Dehatmavadi. Prana, Pranatmavadi. Indriya, Indriyatmavadi. Buddhi, Buddhyatmavadi. Buddhincha Shunyam, Shunyatmavadi. Shunyam, another type of Buddhism. So they're all Murkhaha, he is going to say here. Read the sloka. 58. Brahmyanti Panditam Manyaham Sarve Laukikatairthikaah Anadrutya Shrutim Maurkhyat Kevalam Yuktim Ashritaah. Now he is going to condemn that Ekadasha Darshanani. First, he is condemning the Laukika, Lokayatikaha, Tarkikaha. Lokayatikaha means materialistic people. Bhautikavadinaha, Lokayatihaha or Charvakaha. Charu means sweet, Vak means words. The people who speak sweet words, they are called Charvakas. Charvaka is another name for Virochana, the Raja, the king of Asuras. Virochana. So this Virochana and Indra, both of them went to in Brihaspati, Brahmaji. In Prajapati Vidya, Chandogya Upanishad it comes. They went to study from Brahmaji. Brahmaji published in the internet, I am going to teach about Brahman. Then he has got 2 students. Wow, only 2 students. That much Dandora he did. Only 2 students, from Asuras 1 Virochana, from Devas 1 Indra. And Brahmaji taught this Brahma Vidya at 4 stages. Vishwa level, Prathama Pada, first stage of teaching, after serving 30 years. After serving 30 years, he taught first stage of teaching Vishwa, Prathama Pada, Sthula Sharira Vidya, over. Again, he asked him come back later. Then the second course, again he asked 30 years you have to serve, then only I will teach you. Again 30 years. And the Virochana was unhappy. I don't want, enough for me. First teaching itself is enough for me. Who will serve again 30 years? Already I have served 30 years. I don't want. He went back to his loka. And he started teaching for Asuras. What? Dehame Atma. From Kutastha onwards up to Deha, nothing is there. Only Shariram is the Atma. Where is Sushma Shariram? Where is Karana Shariram? Where is Kutastha Atma? All these are bluff. I don't see anything. What I see only, I believe. What I see only, I believe. What I have not seen, why I have to believe? Therefore, I believe only in Sthula Shariram. Virochana concluded like that. But fortunately, Indra, second stage of teaching, he learnt, that is Taijasa, Ditiya Pada, Vidya. Sukshma Shariram, Hiranyagarbha, he has learnt. Again, Indra was not happy. Further, he wanted to learn. Again, Brahmaji asked to serve 30 years more. In the third stage of teaching, I will give you. Then he taught about Prajna, Tritiya Pada. Again, Indra was not happy. Further, you teach me. Again, you serve me 30 years. Again, you serve me 30 years. By that time, how many years over? 30, 90 over. In the fourth stage level teaching, again he asked 30 years more. You serve. Then he taught about Turiya Atma. Turiya Atma, he started teaching. So Indra got Brahma Jnanam. Whereas Virochana stopped with the first class, first stage of teaching. Like that, many students stop first stage of teaching. They think, over, Bhagavad Gita learning is over. Nothing is required further, they think. And a few chapters they study and they think they know everything. Like that, people consider after studying little bit, because of their incapacity, inability, they are not able to study, and they conclude they want to show to others we know everything. Like these people, no? Look into those people. Virochana type people, Virochana type illa, Virochananda. What he says, talking about them, Panditam Manyamanaha, they consider themselves as great scholars. Panditam means scholars. Manyamanaha, consider themselves as Panditas. Who are they? Sarve Laukika Tairdhikaha. Sarve, all those systems of philosophies. Tirtha means any system of philosophy is called Tirtha. In Jains, they call Tirthankara. Tirthankaras they are called. Any system of philosophy and their followers. Tairdhikaha means a founder of philosophy and his followers. They are called Tairdhikaha. Literal meaning of Tirtha means water, a river. Here Tairdhika means a philosopher and their followers. Laukika Tairdhikaha. Laukika means materialistic people, Bhautika Vadinaha. Materialistic people. What they do? Maurkhyat Shrutim Murkhata means what? Dull, ignorant, deep rooted anartham. Murkhata. He who knows not and knows not, he knows not. Foolish person anartham. Shun him. He who knows not and knows not, he knows not. They are called Murkhaha. Nammatma appala madre. அவனுக்கு புரியாது, நம்ம சொன்னாலும் புரியாது. சில பேர் இருப்பா, என்ன பண்றது? பகவானே இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் அவனுக்கு ஏன் புத்தி கொடுத்தேன்னா அவ்வளோதான், நம்ம பிராரப்தம். We have to undergo. Like that, there are people, Maurkhyat, because of their murkhata, what they do? Shrutim anadritya, having disregarded the Shruti. Anadritya means not taking the support of Shruti, criticizing the Shruti, negating the Shruti, refuting the Shruti, keeping the Shruti aside. Shrutim means Veda. Anadritya, disrespecting, not caring, neglecting. What they do? Kevalam yuktim ashritaha. Kevalam, just. Kevala means only yukti, logic. Kevala tarka. Kevala tarka means only logic without any shastra support. That is called Kevala tarka. Dustarka. Yuktim ashritaha. Kevala yuktim. That's called we call avichara. Kevala tarka means what? Here we have to take avichara. Without taking shastra support, they take only the support of logic. Ashritaha. What they consider? Panditam manyamanaha brahmyanti. Yuktim ashritaha brahmyanti. They move all over. Brahmyanti. Brahmyanti means they roam everywhere with this delusion. Okay. Yavat jivet sukhan jivet. As long as you live happily, sukham jivet. Then what? You have to runam krutva ghritam pibet. If you ask, how can I live happily? I have nothing to enjoy. How can I live happily? Take debt. Bank is giving loan. Bank is giving loan. Enjoy. Runam krutva ghritam pibet. Enjoy eating Krishna sweets because full of ghee. Ghritam pibet. If I take money from them, how can I repay to them? They says, you need not repay. Who asked you to repay? It is bank problem. You don't repay. You need not. If I don't repay, I get papam. Who said, who will get papam? Where is papa? Have you seen papa? No, there is a papa. After my death, it comes later, they say. Hey, bhasmi bhutas dehasya. Once body is turned into ashes, bhasmi bhuta dehasya punaragamanam kurtaha. If you have done papa, again next janma you will suffer. Shastra is telling, don't believe in that Shastra. Once of all, if you die, your body is burnt, that's all. Therefore, when sun shines, enjoy. Don't think about rebirth, papa and suffering and all. There is no suffering at all. Why? You are not going to born again. Why? The end is the end, that's all. That's why enjoy. That's why materialistic people all, they enjoy. They don't bother about papa, punya at all. Why? If papa, punya, if I accept, I have to think about next janma. Next janma, this papa will come to me. Where is bhasmi bhuta dehasya punaragamanam kutaha? This is the philosophy of Virochana. This is what he is teaching to all asuras. That's why asuras always say what? Khavo, pivo, maja karo. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. At the cost of making others suffer. Like that terrorist occupying Iraq. All atrocities they do for their pleasures. People. That is the philosophy. Brahmyanti anna ade artham. Okay. Next shloka. Further, he is talking about their fallacy. How, what way they are committing mistake. Purva para paramarsham Vikalas-tatra kechana Vakyabhasan swasvapakshem Yojayantyapyalajjayam Purva apara paramarsha vikalaha. Tatra means with regard to the above topic. Above topic means swam vichara, aham vichara, swam ahamoho, adhyasa vishaye. Tatra, with regard to this topic, adhyasa vishaye, kechana, some people, they are lacking what? Purva apara paramarsha. Purva means, suppose I am analyzing one topic now, and one portion of Upanishad, one statement. I must have the knowledge of the previous mantras, and I must look into the later mantras. The context I have to see. Purva means previous mantras, apara means later mantras. Not when you do some marriage, some marriage. I have to see sambandhis. Purva, apara. Boy side and girl side we have to see. Boy and girl are coming together in the marriage. How is it possible? This boy must have parents, the girl must have parents, and parents, both of them have to talk each other and come and this is my boy, she is my girl. This is the Jatakam. All this and all, their Purva, Apara, Vichara, we are doing or not? But nowadays, boy and girl are not doing Purva, Apara, Vichara. That is why they are struggling later. Problem. In spite of Purva, Apara, Vichara itself problem. In Shastra also, to have Gatti Melam, this is called Gatti Melam. Ange Mangala Sutra Dharana Gatti Melam Madri. Here, Mahavakya Vichara, when we want to do, I have to analyze the previous mantras, later mantras, I have to see the context. What is the meaning of this mantra? Exactly. That is called Purva, Apara, Vichara. These people are not having, they are Vikalaha. Vikalangas, Vikalanga handicapped. Vikala means handicapped in Artha. Because they are lacking one either hand or leg or something problem. These people are also Vikala Vikalaha means handicapped people. These Tairdhikaha, logicians, Laukikaha, these Bhautika people who are all Durvicharagnaha. They are all not having any Vikalaha means they are lacking that Purva Apara Paramarsha Tatra. On the other hand, what they are taking? Vakya Abhasan Swasvapakshe Yojayanti. Vakya Abhasan means some wrong interpretations. All problems are because of interpretation. This is called interpretational problems. Swasvapakshe means what? In their own paksha, for their own philosophy, for their convenience, Swasvapakshe, that Vakya Abhasan, that statements which are really false, they join with their statements which are convenient for them. Like this in Bhagavad Gita, Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Vraja. They convert that statement according to their convenience. Sarva Dharman Parityajya. Give up punya, papa, everything. Give up all duties. Mamekam Sharanam Vraja. Lord Krishna said, surrender to God. Don't do anything. It's convenient, no? Somberi already. It is convenient for them. So, Swapakshe Yojayanti. According to their convenience, they join the Upanishadic statements. That he is going to tell later. What are all yojayanti? Bahuni. In Taittiriya Upanishad they say pranadhyeva kalvimani bhutani jayante. They stuck there, that's all. They don't do purva apara vicharya. Charvaka deha annadhyeva kalvimani. He stuck there itself. Indriyatmavadi, manatmavadi, like that. Go on and on. Yojayanti. He is just scolding them. Api lajjayana, alajjayanar. Without any shame. Without any shame. They are using the Upanishadic statements according to their convenience. According to their convenience. They say sarvadharman parityajya, people make use of nimitta matram bhavasavya sachi. You are nimitta matram. உன்னோட கையில் ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, எல்லாமே என்னோட கையில் இருக்க பகவான் சொல்லிட்டார். அவனின்றி ஓரணுவும் அசையாது. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு இல்லையோ? அவனின்றி ஓரணுவும் அசையாது. Then what Krishna said, that sloka they don't listen. What is that? Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. They don't listen to that sloka. Sarvadharman parityajya only they take. That is what here swasva vakya abhasan swasva pakshe in artham. Bhagavan says swadharme nidhanam shreyaha paradharmo bhayavaha. Swadharme nidhanam. In your own duty, even death is okay. Nobody listen to that statement. These people, many people, 99% of people use the Upanishadic statements according to their convenience. Who is the loser? Upanishad. Bhagavad Gita also, many people interpret according to their own whims and fancies. This is the way Lord Krishna said. Who said? According to your convenience. Alajjaya, without any shame, you are joining like that Shruti statements to your convenience. 11 systems of philosophy. 11 lo vartan avicharam, vartan vande durvicharam. Idella durvicharam. Next shloka. Kutasthadi sharirantam Sanghatasyatmatam jaguhum Lokayata pamarascha Pratyakshabhasamashritaha. Kutasthadi shariranta. From Kutastha Atma onwards up to Sharira, Sthula Deha. This Sanghata means assemblage, group. Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram, Karana Shariram, all these put together is called Sanghata. Sanghatasya, of this assemblage. These materialistic people, Lokayataha, materialistic people, Pamarascha. Pamara means ignorant people, uneducated, Pamarajanam. Non-thinking people in Ardham. Unrefined mind people. Samskrita Purushaha, Prakrita Purushaha means what? A thinking person, a person who is having a refined mind, Purva Para Vicharagnaha. A person who is not having thinking capacity at all, gross-minded person, Pamaraha nar, Avidyavan anartham. He is having avidya, not vidya. So Pamaraha, Lokayataha, materialistic, Bhautikavadis and pair. Their morning onwards till night. What is their thinking pattern? Earn money? How much you are getting? 2 flats or 3 flats or plot or farmhouse? Money? Security? How many fixed deposits? How much gold you have? How much you are keeping for daughter, son and all? This is what they are talking from morning to till night. They never talk about God. They never talk about dharma. They never talk about values. They talk about only sense pleasures. Enjoy. Earn, enjoy. Earn, enjoy. If you don't know, you are useless. You are useless if you don't know how to earn, how to enjoy. You are a useless person. They consider others who are having astikata, daiva bhakti, dharma, value, shastra vichara. If they have, these people look at them, you are useless. They are called lokayataha, pamaraha. They take this from Kutastha onwards. They don't consider Atma, it is invisible. I don't believe in that Atma. Deha Vetirikta Atma Nasti. Therefore, Kutasthadi Deha Paryantam Sanghatam Atmatam Jaguhu. The whole thing is what? This is Atma. Body is Atma. Why? Pratyaksha Abhasamashritaha. Pratyaksha means that which is perceptible to sense organs. Pratyaksha pramanam. Indriya gocharam pratyaksham. Whatever is indriya gocharam, I value. I don't want to listen to your words. What is after death? Some punya, some papa. You go to that place, you will get it. What is this? Cock and bull stories you are telling to me. Nowadays people, youngsters. I want scientific proof. I want a scientific proof. Can you show me there is heaven? You cannot show. Can you show me any proof there is a hell? No. Can you show me there is a papa? Do you have any proof? No. What you say? You nod your head. Then what they say? Go, go, go. When you don't have proof, I am a scientific person. I want everything scientific proof. What do you say? You have to look at the God. Bhagavane, enoda payan ippudaitane, enoda pondu ippudaitane. Because you are not educated fully in Shastra. What they are asking, you are not able to answer. So they have already become materialistic. Fully materialistic they are. They are looking at the parents, these old parents really, they don't know anything. World is so advanced now. World is so advanced, scientific. Who is scientific, who is non-scientific, I will prove you now. Come on. Vidyaranya is asking. These are all, I don't believe. Person traveling after death and all, I don't believe. What I believe is only physical body. That is why pratyaksha abhasa masritaha. This pratyaksha pramana, sensory perceptible pramanam, which is false. They are taking it ashritaha. They resorted to this pramanam, which is visible. What? Enjoying lakhs and lakhs of rupees. I am getting dollars and dollars. I am getting lot of money. This is the pratyaksha pramanam. What you are talking? In some punyam, some puja, some japa you are talking. I don't bother all those things. This is abhasa pramana. In the pratyakshame abhasam appani namma solrom. Avan pratyakshame, this is the ultimate. All the materialistic people, they take that pratyaksha money, dollars pratyaksham, dollars mulama vara veedu pratyaksham, comforts pratyakshamo pratyaksham, enjoying pratyaksham. Whatever is pratyaksham, I value. What is not pratyaksham, punya, papa, you are talking something. Why you are disturbing me? You go and stay in India itself. I don't want to come to you. You should not come to me. உனக்கு வேணும்னா ஒரு வீடு கட்டி தரேன். அதனால அப்பா அம்மா எங்கேயே போட்டுட்டு அம்மா அப்பா இங்கேயே கொஞ்சம் பாவம். The old age they are enjoying here. So they are enjoying there. And making small children and eating non-veg. From 2-year kid onwards, they are feeding egg. Tomorrow even person on aitanna non-veg sapan, and how can he manage in the society? Therefore, Orthodox family, he has gone from Iyer family here. This father does Sandhya Vandanam here and pray for that son. That son is doing what? Feeding the egg to his son. This is what happening. What is there? Egg is also vegetarian food. Mama, charvaka, no? Vegetarian food. And children slowly accustomed to little mamsaharam, slowly And Swamini, you only told, be as a Roman when you are in Rome. They give the statement to same to me also sometimes. எங்கெங்க சொல்லணுமோ அது சொல்லணும். இது பூர்வ அபர விசாரம்னா இதுதான். We are thinking, we are seeing dollars, how much they are losing without knowing to their parents, they are silently doing that. When I look at that and really I feel it's so painful. So painful. When these people go, they are very silent. Ella keep ready. Ella secret vechiduvan. When they come back here, they start every maja. Because party, friends, you cannot survive there. Why I am telling? Lokayata pamarascha pramana pratyaksha abhasam ashritaha. Next, 61. Shrauti kartum swapaksham te koshamannamayam tatha virochanasya siddhantam pramanam pratijagnire. Shrauti kartum swapaksham te lokayataha are virochana. These materialistic worldly people, logicians, like all of them, especially here is talking about virochana siddhantam, the bhautikavadi. Kosham annamayam. So annamayam koshaha means this physical body. Annamaya koshaha. Annadhev annarasenaiva bhutva annarasenaiva vruddhim prapya. No, that Taittiriya he quotes. Taittiriya shloka he quotes. Annam kosham annamayam. Annamaya kosha anartham. Swapaksham shrauti kartum. See, this is Upanishad is talking my paksha only, to my side only. What? That annamaya kosha topic. Prati jagnire, prati plus gna dhatu, lit. Prathama purusha bahuvachanam, virochana siddhantam, Chandogya Upanishad 8:8. Atmaiva dehamayaha. That is the Virochana's statement. Atmaiva dehamayaha atmaivana. They take this support. Shrauti kartu means they quote the Taittiriya Upanishad, Annamaya Kosha, and Virochana's Chandogya Upanishad 8th chapter, 8th mantra. Siddhantam pramanam. That is the pramanam for us. In Virochana's 8th mantra is pramanam. And Annamaya Kosha is Brahmanam. Dehatmavadi anamata. Annamaya Kosha. That is the Kosha. Here he says, Sama esha purushonnara samayaha. Purushaha annara samayaha. Correct irukku parango. Idu Taittiriya Upanishad. Supporting me. Shrauti kartum swapakshe. My own paksham. The Upanishad statement is there supporting me. They siddhantam, that siddhanta, their philosophy. This is the pramanam. Pratijagnire means they declare. They promise also. You see, Taittiriya Upanishad enna solradhu? 8:8 Virochana enna solraru? Na sonnadha solrana. Mattadella enna achana? Adi venda. Idida enakku venum. This is called swasvapaksham, no? Next shloka. Jivatma nirgame deham maranasyatra darshanat dehatirikta evatmeti ahullokayatah parem. Another, here one correction, nigame is there. It should be corrected as nirgame. There must be repa or kombu irkanum mele. Gakar mele. they Jivatma Nirgame. In this Lokayataha Virochana group people, materialistic people, those who don't believe in Shastra Pramanam and Jiva traveling, they don't have belief because they say there is no proof. Some advanced Lokayataha materialistic people are there. They believe in something travel after death. Something travel after death, they say. So this is another group, advanced materialistic group. Jivatma Nirgame. When the Jivatma leaves the body, Nirgame means leaves the body. Who? The Jivatma, the individual self. When Deha Maranasya, when Deha is dropped after the death of the physical body, Deha Maranasya, Atra Darshanat, it is evident here. Atra Darshanat means when the body is left here, the Jiva travels. There are some people, they accept. Why? Dehatirikta eva Atma iti. There is Deha Atirikta means other than body, there is Atma, that is the soul. They are not talking Atma means not Kutastha Chaitanya. Atma, our poitar and enga poitar. Our in the Vidambulan poitar. Our irikar, Ingin in the poitar. Number words the Tamil use one of Mode and the Ardhamirka. Purido poitar, enga poitar, coil poitar. Mela poitar and engo poitar. Poitar in the one who is different from this body, somebody has gone. Who is that somebody? We don't know. Poitar, there are people. Many people use this word, but they don't know where they are going, who is going. Eyam prete vichikitsa manushya asti ityeke nayam asti iti chaikani Nachiketa also asked. Enna proof irukapana. Some people believe that. Okay, Deha Atirikta Eva Atma iti Ahuhu Lokayataha Pare means some other Lokayatas. Some people don't believe in that. Nothing is traveling. Some people believe something is traveling. See, the scientists also, they say we don't believe because we don't have proof. When you don't have proof, how can you say you don't believe? You don't have proof. Therefore, I don't believe in that. There is no proof for that to prove. Can you prove there is Jivatma traveling? Can you prove this is traveling? You cannot prove. There is no proof for that, they say. We say, a blind person, absence of proof is not the absence of proof. Absence of proof is not the absence of proof if it is not, what? If it is not proved by your sense perception, don't say that it is not there. Just like blind person says there are no colors. One person says there are no colors. Why? Because I don't see. I don't see, therefore there are no colors. You don't see because you don't have proof. You don't have proof to prove the colors. Are you getting the point? You don't have proof, that is eyes, pramanam, to prove the colors. Therefore, what do you say? There are no colors. What we say, don't say there are no colors. You don't have proof to prove them. You don't have proof, eyes. Since you don't have eyes, that is proof. Therefore, you cannot prove there are colors. It is not mistake of the colors. Colors are there. It is your pramana dosha. So there is no proof to prove another. You don't have proof. What to do? There is no proof to prove the colors. Therefore, there are no colors. A blind following. Are you getting the point? Very subtle. Blind person declaring there are no colors. Scientists, they say there is no Jivatma traveling. Like blind person da. Blind person ki colors illa. Ye illa na. No, I am not, because they are not visible to me. Why they are not visible? We ask, you don't have eyes to prove. Similarly, science doesn't have the pramanam to prove the non-existence of the jiva travel. You cannot prove. There is no jiva travel. How do you know? Because you cannot prove. Why? I don't have any proof. So lacking your proof and telling there is no jiva travel. Therefore, proof, if you don't have proof, absence of proof is not the proof to talk about the absence of Atma. Don't say it is your mistake. You don't have capacity. You don't have any pramanam, proof to talk about that abhasa chaitanyam, sukshma sariram traveling. Once you don't have even pramanam to talk about sukshma sariram, abhasa chaitanyam ke proof illa enakku. Inga adhara chaitanyamukku enna proof? You cannot establish adhara chaitanyam. Abhasa chaitanyame irukka illiyanu proof illa enakku. Scientific. That's why never compare Shastra with the science. Science and Shastra people are comparing. It is apramanam. It is not pramana gocharam. All science evidences are only pramanattike ittum. They cannot talk about Jivatma or Paramatma. They cannot talk. Never bring science into Shastra. Okay? I want scientific proof. I don't want to give you scientific proof. You prove it is not there with same science, then you ask, why you want scientific proof? You disprove with your science. Can we ask or not? Suppose you are asking scientific proof I want for Atma or Jiva travel. Now I am asking, you disprove through your science. Then come and ask me. You cannot disprove. Shut your mouth. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.